Guys, come along with me to make this simple, delicious Christmas sorrel. No pimento seed, no rice grain, just pure goodness. Guys, come we could make a simple sorrel drink. First thing I'm going to do is boil up some water. Then I'm going to wash my ginger. Wash your ginger properly, right? And the ginger depends on how you like your drink. If you like your drink with a lot of ginger, you use more. If you like it with a little, use less. So we're gonna wash the ginger, dry it, and beat it. Alright, so now we're gonna beat the ginger. So that we can get all of the juice. You can also grate it, right? Alright, so now we're gonna place the ginger in the boiling water and allow that to boil. Never orange peel or wash that. And this is from one orange. And I'm also going to add that to the pot. Cover it and just make that come to a boil. So now I'm going to wash my sorrel. Cool water, so we're not dry the sorrel. Okay, really stop it. Wash it anyway. Oh my god. You need to say what I'm going to do. I don't think this is nice. So yeah, no see, I don't need, you know, okay, I can't do it, like I must do it. You know. I don't know. Can't do it. Can't act like me, you have to do that. I do one more pass. So you know, when you come on to food, you can stick to carry on the side. This now, you know, this sometimes. So I make this drain until the water starts boiling up. Alright, come on, go in and look on the water. Alright, you see like how the water catch the color of the ginger. Now we're gonna go in with the way. Sorry, well, we're gonna turn off the stove first, right? And then we're gonna go in with our wash sorrel. I'm just gonna sink it. Okay, quite look pretty. For the pot and let it stay overnight. So tomorrow now, we sweeten it and take you guys along with me. All right. Look at this. All right, so this is rich and pretty. Make sure you use a white spoon so you can see what that one. Alright, so make a strain off this now and sweeten it. Like blue, right? Strain it. Yeah, revert back to one. However, move this. Drop this. Add some more water to this. Rinse it. You know, I use too much because I don't want, as I say, stretch out the sorrel too much. And then we'll pour off but this in a bowl. So what I'm doing with this sorrel is wringing it. Squeeze out the extra juice in it. If you're one like me, who don't like this nothing, you can do this step. Right? And then we're gonna pour this in the juice. Alright, then you go use your favorite wine, red wine in the sorrel. Now we're gonna add some sugar. Taste, sweeten to your liking. It's fresh. Nothing in juice. So you go sweeten to taste. sweeten to taste, and that's it.
Turn it to the side.
Who said?
The back.
So?
Yeah. Turn it, look on now.